Hello there. We know how important a good brand nowadays. Today, never than before, was important to have a good reputation online. And every footprint counts. So today, let's analyze a famous brand in the UK in the financial sector. That's the bank, the Lloyds Bank. So come with me and let's analyze using the brand information tracker. So let's make it bigger. So what are the trend reputation risks for Lloyds Bank? So maybe, so it's let's write here Lloyds Bank. Finance past 2 years, the UK. So let's see what kind of footprints Lloyds Bank has online. So the key reputation risks from 2023 to 2025. So the first comes up is the car finance, mis-selling, and motor finance. That was written in The Guardian and Reuters. So the Supreme Court ruling reduced liabilities. RBC estimated Lloyds may owe 1.6 billion, largely covered by existing provisions. Shares rallied 7.5%, restoring over 3 billion in value. Second risk, tax dispute with HMRC, February 2025, that's this year, that's recently. Greenwashing and environment messaging, that's the third risk, December 24, March 25. That's this in The Guardian, as again, Lloyds advert banned from making false environment claims. And CFTC.gov, probably is it's American website. CFTC charged Lloyds Banking Group. In undermining the integrity. It's a lot of risks in the reputation of Lloyds Bank. Regulatory breaches and consumer treatment, number 4. So branch closures and job concerns. We see a lot of branches, Lloyds Bank branches being closed around the UK, and that can damage their reputation. So early 2025, Lloyds introduced a share branch strategy across Lloyds, Halifax, and Bank of Scotland brands. Unions warned this could trigger branch closures, possibly up to 233, and significant job losses. Financial Times. Fraud and scam exposure. Lloyds warned of a spate of scams. Impersonation scams rose 13% with average losses around 5,318, and CEO fraud average over 10,000. So that's in the Lloyds Bank Group, faking website scams. But this is a little bit outside of their control because this is affecting everyone. The fraud became a problem that's affecting everything because there is no way that police can track these criminals, and this has become more and more common fraud. This is all around the world. And number 7, corporate governance and ethical concerns. So we have here a table, motor finance, tax strategy, green claims, regulatory compliance, branching strategy, fraud and scams, governance and ethics. That is very important to tackle these issues. So how we tackle it? There are ways that you can create story on the web. You can suppress the positive with negative, talking positive, but the bank, the marketing department needs a strategy to overcome these negative footprints with a press release, a strong press release strategy. The other way as well is make sure that the brand offer good service and don't get involved in scandals or things like that. Just like the false claim about the green claims, right? So that's something that's in their control as well. But like things like fraud, scams, all they can do is warning their clients and tell them to be careful with frauds. We can help with brand reputation management. We have a team specialized in digital press release and tell stories, and we can work together with the marketing department in order to overcome this reputation, these negative footprints. What is very important today for these large language modeling platforms like ChatGPT, Copilot, Perplexity, all these AI, because they rely on reputation. And if a brand has negative footprints and low reputation, they might not recommend as the best option. So if you want to help, if you want to be referred as the best option in these platforms, my business can help. I can help you. So get in touch. And if you watch the video until here, please give us a like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.